I'm actually very excited, as Reese said, about this event and actually all our events, because in reality, we're building this community of the industry, not just community of Revizto, but community of the industry, because many of you already attended our field days, and this is where we're getting inspired. This is where we come to learn from you locally, and I don't know if you're aware or not, last year we did 41, if I'm not mistaken, events throughout the globe. It's almost once a week we had a field day event in each part of the globe. Over 1,500 attendees across these events where we've been constantly learning, because this is, so the concept when we launched Revizto's events is to be always in sync with our users, because we are that user-centric company, user-centric development company, I would even say. For us to come to hear your problems, challenges, and workflows is the key. And RevUP is actually a big field day where we bring global guys, global users to come, and I'm excited to see all these great speakers who's going to be talking in coming 2 days. And sharing their knowledge. And as Reese said, we are truly sharing the knowledge to help you innovate. I'm not going to talk about AI or machine learning right now, because our industry still needs so many basic stuff to do before we get there. So we want to kind of share the fundamentals and the workflows with what we do and learn from you. So that being said, I'm excited to share with you with this year numbers, what we have, what is Revizto today, and what it represents. We have written, as of today, over 7 million lines of code of Revizto. So when you use it, so you would know what is it behind the scenes. And thanks to our incredible development team, and thanks to Anton, who is represented here, you can stand up. And because I'm very proud of the team who are we're so sincerely taking every feedback that you're bringing to its deepest sincerity to develop it. So I'm not going to go through these numbers. It's all visible. We're growing. We're a healthy company. We're profitable. We want to be reliable partners for you, and partners, not just vendor. And this is how we build the company and keep building. So you would know that nothing is going to happen with Revizto for years to come. You know that we will be there next to you. And Alex can always call me and say, this is what I want, man. and he knows that we're going to be working hard to bring the best tool, the best integrated collaboration platform for you guys. In sense of the market share, we're, as you know, globally represented, and 43% today represents our market in a North American market. It grew since last year even more. APAC team also grows. The EMEA region is pretty much the same, but is going to grow rapidly with giga projects that we're involved in Middle East. And I think yesterday, those who were in our Prim user group saw the magnitude of the projects that we got involved, and we're pretty excited about that. Next, what I would like to talk a little bit about our mission vision. You know who we are. We really want to revolutionize how you guys are communicating and collaborating. That's the number one goal and the vision of our company. And everything what we do is aligned to that vision and the mission statement. Value-wise, we put together, it's not a value that we've written and then we started to build a company. We wrote out these values out of the real practice of our company. What do we do every single day? And number one thing is transparency. We are transparent and keeping that transparency inside out, not just for our team internally, but for you. You know what's happening with us, and everyone in our team and company knows the priority where we do what we do, and we're always deliver what we promise. And that brings us to that reliability thing where you know that if we promise, we're always going to deliver and everything is going to be done. Collaboration with you guys, with our users, and only through collaboration we can come up to the right solution. And yesterday it was so exciting for me to see at Prim User Group all these tables, 60 plus people collaborating with us to give the feedback and put the priority on the next development tickets that we're going to be and items that we're going to be concentrating our next 12 to 18 months of development. And it's so exciting and so good. And only through the collaboration we can push the boundaries all the time and bring the best innovation. And the culture-wise, people, we are concentrated on our people. We are hunting all the time for the best talent for our company. We're always bringing and trying to bring the best talent because we believe, and I firmly believe that people is everything. And if we invest into the right talent, you're gonna have the best outcome. And that's why, I don't know if I think last year I was talking about retention rate, but throughout the 12-year period of Revizto's path, we have, in average, 96% retention rate of our people. This says a lot, including sales, marketing, development, everyone. So the team, and it takes a lot of time for us to find the right talent, but that pays off, and we are extremely, extremely efficient from that perspective. And that makes us, as a company, a people-centric company, concentrated with a user-centric development. So this is our kind of a path of working and developing further. And today I want to talk a little bit, before I give the word to Jason, I want to talk about the importance of that knowledge base that we're building. And you guys all know that in our customer success, we try to bring the best talent from the industry experts from all these companies that are listed here, not even all, and from all the verticals. Because we think that these experts who should be working with you on implementation, on learning, and learning what we need to bring to you every single day and in the future. So being globally represented, having that magnitude of the projects that we're involved, and seeing so many different workflows gives us so much data that we want to share with you. And that's the part that we're excited to announce today and later today in Jason's speech, is that we're going to be introducing our own LMS system, the Red Academy, and the team who has been working on Red Academy within the last several months, they did a great job, and you guys will see, and I guess the certification that we had yesterday was already on the Red Academy, but we're launching the Red Academy, where we're going to be giving you the tool that you can train hundreds of people of your subs, etc., in a very structured way. And again, I'm not gonna talk here too much, because I'm gonna leave this for Jason to go through. We're also implementing a great tool, a customer success tool, Gainsight, which is gonna give you, again, based on our values, full transparency of what's going on in your teams. You will be seeing the level of the training, who have been trained, what happened from the customer success perspective inside of your organization. So these are the things that we're launching already now, and we'll be giving these tools to you to empower you more. And that all gives us an opportunity to focus our experts, industry experts, customer success guys, to focus on the workflows and building the workflows, instead of doing just basic trainings, but concentrating on building your workflows inside of your organizations to help you innovate and be efficient, more efficient, I would say. And now, before I start, I was too early. And one last thing I wanted to share with you, the excitement of RevUP to announce our latest innovations. And number one innovation is our AR tool that we brought into our phone app. It works really good, and I urge you to go to the booth and check it out and test it out. And see so many workflows that you guys can build with it. The second one, which is my favorite one personally, is the custom statuses, because this is something that I've been dreaming to have for at least last 3 years. And the team has been working very hard on it. This is gonna give you so much flexibility, because you will be able to build your own workflows, not just have open in progress, solved, closed statuses, but build your own statuses and apply those workflows within our issue tracker. So again, at the booth, you guys can see and go and check it out, how it works. And the third is the QR, especially, I guess, for Sal. He didn't know about the QR. He was telling yesterday to me, I'm printing the QR codes using this tool, etc. I'm like, do you know that we're bringing QR tool? No, I don't know. So go check it out. What you can do, you can create the QR codes based on, attached with one click to any issue, or create multiple QR codes based on object data, metadata. And again, printing or attaching to an issue. And of course, the 514 is not only that. We're bringing exciting integrations, such as with Cupix, and they're represented here. And you guys are welcome to go. And I think yesterday you were seeing as well, yesterday night, that integration, how it works. We're bringing the Power BI integration along with the 514. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, when I looked at our Jira, we have 750 improvements in 514? Approximately. Yeah, so a lot of improvements in with this build, which is actually, I'm proud to say, going to be available already in April, hopefully in early April. Anton does not want to give me the exact date. So with that, I want to really welcome our Chief Innovation Officer, Jason Houghton, who's going to talk about more of the things we're going to launch this year and help you innovate more and more. So give a round of applause.